We've all grown accustomed to a world filled with disposable electronics, gadgets built to last just long enough for the next model to arrive. It's a tiresome cycle, isn't it? But occasionally, something emerges from the noise, a piece of engineering that reminds you what a quality tool feels like. Today, we're looking at one of those rare exceptions, the 4D massage chair. Full-body massage chair, zero-gravity recliner. Right out of the gate, this chair stakes its claim with what they call the most advanced 4D mechanism, paired with a commanding 53.14-inch SL track. This isn't just a rolling pin behind your back, friends. This is a meticulously engineered system that delivers a deep, precise, and dynamic massage. It is, frankly, the new benchmark. Imagine a Tuesday morning, perhaps a particularly demanding one. Instead of battling a stubborn knot, you simply recline, and this chair seamlessly transitions from your neck, down your spine, and all the way to your thighs. No gaps, no missed spots, just that unwavering, refined pressure that resets your entire posture. It is the silent, efficient partner that simply works, allowing you to reclaim your peace effortlessly. Now, let's talk about the build. This isn't some flimsy piece of plastic furniture. This chair has substance. It feels hefty, dense, engineered for permanence. You sink into it, and there's an immediate sense of solid ground beneath you. Beyond the core mechanism, the intelligent voice control and computerized body scanning are not just flashy features. They are time savers, ensuring the massage is always tailored to your unique form without you lifting a finger. The 3-stage zero-gravity system, 32 air cells, and 2 targeted heating zones work in concert, not as separate gimmicks. The elegant 7-inch TFT screen and the intuitive shortcut panel make navigation utterly effortless, meaning less fumbling and more focused relaxation. Every specification here is about delivering a cohesive, uninterrupted experience. Now, in the spirit of absolute candor, there is one small detail. The 7-inch TFT screen, while perfectly clear and functional, feels a touch conservative for a chair of this overall caliber. For something so meticulously designed, one might expect a display with a bit more visual presence. But let's be honest, you're not purchasing a screen. You're investing in a therapeutic device built to last, and its core functionality, its utterly uncompromising massage, is what truly matters here. This minor aesthetic choice fades quickly when you experience the real benefits. For the current street price, this level of engineering represents a significant investment, but one that pays dividends in daily comfort and long-term relief. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly, and sometimes they offer a discount that is genuinely worth pursuing. I put the link below so you can check the current price.